how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Okay student, in previous video I will give you some question to find it. Today we will see these questions answer. Okay, आज हम इन क्वेश्चन के आंसर देखेंगे. So first question था, what kinds of tools are needed for climbing mountains? Have you ever seen a hook and rope being used for anything else? Where what else can we use if we want to cross a river in the mountains? Why do we need extra energy on the mountains? Have you ever heard of anyone who has done something adventurous? What? Have you ever done anything adventurous? If yes, tell your class. Write about it here onwards. Okay. So next question is, have you ever climbed a tree? How did you feel? Where you screamed? Did you ever fall? Have you ever seen someone climb a small wall? What do you think is the difference between climbing wall and climbing a high rock? Okay. Okay student, let's see the answer now. Okay, first question is, what kind of tools are needed for climbing mountains? Answer is, we need a thick rope, sling stick, extra for climbing mountains. We also need food packets, water bottles, plastic sheets, diary, torch, first aid kit, oxygen cylinder, etc. Okay, we need a thick rope, sling stick, etc. for climbing mountains. We also need food packets, water bottles, plastic sheet, diary, torch, first aid kit, oxygen cylinder, etc. Okay, next question is, have you ever seen a hook and rope being used for anything else? Where? Yes, I have seen a hook and rope for drawing water from a well. I have also seen hook and rope being used for rescue people. Okay. Next question is, what else can we use if we want to cross a river in the mountain? For crossing a river in the mountain, we need thick rope, sling and petals. Okay. Have you ever climbed a tree? How did you feel? Were you scared? Did you ever fall? Yes, I climbed a guava tree during my vacations at a village. It was adventurous. I felt somewhat scared. I have never fallen from a tree. Next question is, why do we need extra energy on the mountains? Answer is, while climbing the mountains we need to rise against gravitational force. We also need to walk on a rough surface. That is why we need extra energy on the mountains. Okay, that is why we need extra energy on the mountain. Next question is, have you ever heard of anyone who has done something adventurous? What? Yes, one of my friend is fond of river rafting, which is an adventurous sport. Okay. Next, have you ever done anything adventurous? If yes, tell your class. Write about it here onwards. Okay. Answer, yes, during a team building exercise, I climbed a very tall tree. It was thrilling. Okay, student. Now next reading start करते हैं हम. Let's start the reading. Yes, a funny incident. 14 February 1984. It was evening. Kanadobi was feeling hungry. We did not have anything to eat. She jumped over the fence and got into a field. ठीक है, और उसको भूख लगी थी, वो जंप गया और फील्ड में गया. शी क्विकली प्लग्ड 2 big cucumbers and came back. Just then a woman came from behind and caught hold of her bag. She started saying something of nobody in her own language. We could not understand what what she was saying, Kanorubi was trying to explain in her miso. Okay. Language which we could not understand. I tried to explain in Hindi, but neither of them could understand it. Finally, I folded my hand to say that we were sorry. By then, our group had gone far ahead. It was already dark. I thought we had lost our way. Now we were really scared. We could not see anything even with our torch. I started sweating, even thought I was cold. I tightly held Kadambari's hand. I called out loudly, "Where are you all? Can you hear me?" My voice in the mountain was both started to whistle loudly and flashed our torch properly. The group had noted that we were missing. We heard some whistle at a distance. I understand the signal. We I understand the signal. We held each other's hand tightly and waited. Kanorubi felt what we should keep taking. She started singing the Mizo song loudly. After some time, we saw them coming towards us. At last, we were with the group again. Okay. So इसमें नेक्स्ट फिर क्वेश्चंस है, आपको फाइंड करने हैं ये क्वेश्चंस. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको इनके आंसर बताऊंगी. ओके स्टूडेंट, फाइंड कीजिए. ओके, नाउ टाइम टू से बाय. बाय बाय स्टूडेंट, हैव अ नाइस डे.